word game, and the rules are my mom will put some clues like lines for one word, like 3 words or any word, and then there's only 12 chances to find it. Like if I say A and B, if there's no A, my mom will say no, there's no A. If there is B, my mom will write it in the board. And if you find it before me, you can comment down below and you win if you are right. And if I find it first, I win. But if no one finds it, then my mom wins. Let's get started.
Hi guys. Tell the first word, Loshini.
A.
A. No. No A.
L.
L. Yes, you have L.
But where?
Here. Tell me the next word.
Okay. E.
E. Yes. Yes. E is there. Next word.
P.
P. P. No. P is not there. Next word. First.
G.
G. Good. I think G is there.
Where?
Here. Haha. First. Next.
H.
H. Good. H is also there. Okay, only one place.
S.
What?
S.
Yes? Oh, yes, it's not there. Okay, almost you reaches the 7 chances. Now the clue time. You can watch the clue video and then let's come again. I think you watched the clue. Now we start it again. Start. I. Oh, I think you almost find using the clue. L I
O.
O. Good. O. O.
N.
N. You almost find. And here one and
T.
here one. N.
T.
T. Wow. I think you found Loshini. What is only two words is there? But you have only one chance. If you know, you don't need to tell the word. I think, sorry. For I, you have another place. Now only one word, Loshini Mai. One chance, one word. You almost find. It's a movie.
K.
Good! Yay! The Lion King! Loshini Mai found everything.
Bye. See you in next video. And don't forget,